Well, the battery's dead. Hey, Anthony here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Well, a little better than I'm doing now. Try to crank over the Jeep. I think the battery's dead. So I'm gonna change it. So I'm gonna help you guys out, learn how to change your battery inside your Jeep. It went dead about 2 days ago. So I bought one of these and I've been using this. It's a Cat CJ3000, and you charge it by just plugging it up to the wall. It'll tell you how much battery it has, and then you're able to crank over your motor, because it's like also a jumper cables, portable battery. This definitely saved me. So now we're going to go ahead and get the battery. So I bought this one. This is supposed to be, according to the auto shop that I went to, the one with the longest lifespan and biggest cranks for the biggest motor. It was the most expensive, that's for sure. I didn't want to do that. I couldn't believe actually how much batteries are these days, but it's supposed to actually last a few years actually, which is, in my case, that's going to be great. Now let's go ahead and go to the hood. You guys don't know how to do this yet, or it's the first time. The stock Jeep hood links are not awesome. So another video is going to be coming, and yes, it's dirty. It's a Jeep. Anyway, it's like literally rubber. So you definitely want to change those out. I've bought them, I just haven't changed them out yet. So this is the first thing we're going to do. And then you should be able to lift up. Okay, so over here is the battery. Now when I went to the auto shop, they didn't say anything was actually wrong with anything else. So I got it cranked over and they said, your alternator is good, the wires are good. And I said, well, what's going on? And they said, something might be draining your battery when the car is off. So I'm trying to find that out. There's my daughter, she came down to help. Hi. All right, so what we're going to do is actually we're gonna let this cool down just a little bit. It's a hot sunny day and I just got finished driving it a few miles, so it's hot. So in a little while, I'm gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna take both these off and we're going to change the battery. All right, well, I let the engine cool down. I've also thought, because it's so far back by the firewall, that I'm going to actually move the hood all the way up. So if you guys haven't done this before, the Jeep hood actually goes all the way up to the window. So I'm gonna actually do that to give myself a little more room to work. Gets a little strain on the hose for the windshield wipers. Other than that, it's actually supposed to do that. You can give it a little slack. So, okay, I'm gonna give you a topographical view of the battery chamber. So, positive, negative, and then down here, really far down there, is a bolt that sort of locks this guy in place. And there's also one, yes, on the other side. So we're gonna try to take all this stuff out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the positive first, do the negative, get the bolts out from the sides, and then pull this battery out and then put the new one in and reverse the process. I'm gonna be using this size 10 to do everything. This is what you're actually gonna be unscrewing to get these out. Please make sure that you keep safe while working with the battery. It is heavy. For those of you guys who are new to changing your battery, it is relatively heavy. It's not, sorry, I bumped the camera there. It's relatively heavy if you've never done it before. There it goes. All right, so these are loose. So I should be able to slide them back and forth. Whoa. Let's try this again. Yeah, it's loose. Ooh, that's tight. There we go. All right, I'm gonna get another tool to help. All right, let's keep going. Ah, there we go, there we go, there we go. Yes. Okay, well that was probably pretty satisfying to watch. All right, so I'm gonna try to get this as far away as possible from the battery, so that way I can start working on the red. And now, making sure, see, you can see it's actually safe to use some metal as long as you don't touch this to that. If you touch them at the same time, you're gonna be in a bit of trouble. Oh, look at that, the red is just being very friendly. All right, so we're going to get this guy as far away. I just did it again too, as far away as we can. And now we got to get the ones on the bottom. So now I'm going to get this guy right here. Take them all the way out. I like that everything is the same size. You don't have to keep switching tools. All right, here's how long it was into the Jeep. So now we're gonna put this to the side, make sure you don't lose any of your stuff. All right, so now we're gonna take this off. So this is the thing that's actually holding the battery to the Jeep to make sure it doesn't shake around. So I'm not gonna put that with the screw that I took out with it. There is something that's holding it, but I'm gonna make this go this way, if you can imagine, because now there's some free space and I'm gonna lift this guy out. Now, if you've raised your Jeep like I have, you're probably gonna need a stool. Nope, you're gonna be stubborn, aren't you? Let's be stubborn together. Okay, that was good. So scooting it at an angle was very good. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift up. Or I'm gonna attempt to lift up. I'm on a stool with wheels. There we go. Oh yeah, you're out. There's the chamber. All right, so it needs to go in one certain way. So I'm gonna take the battery, I'm gonna go in at an angle, and I'm gonna go under. If you see, I need to actually make it to where the corner of the battery actually hits this area right here. There is really not that much room in the casing, so you have to actually take the battery and go down straight. Okay, it's actually a lot more easier than I thought. Okay, so now the battery's in. I'm gonna tuck it this way as much as I can. And now I'm gonna take this mount. I'm gonna put the mount back. I'm gonna use this for the screw. I'm gonna hope that I'm gonna put it in the right spot. Nope, I sure didn't. It rolled over on me. Okay, taking the screw, screwing it back in. I don't think you need to crank too hard on this. I would say if it starts fighting you a little bit, you're okay. And as you can see, I'm moving the whole car before I'm moving the actual battery. I'm gonna put this to the side, make sure I'm not touching anything. I'm gonna put these guys back on. Again, there's really not that much room to put these. Oh, it's actually sparking on me. I don't know if you guys saw that or heard it. I really wanna make sure I have a good solid connection on these. Okay, that's it. Now the battery's installed, we're gonna close the hood and hope that we got everything up and running. I'm gonna get all my tools out of the way. This is a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, and I used one size 10 socket wrench. I used a long arm on it because the distance from the surface all the way down to the support beam in the bottom. So now we're gonna hope for the best and hope that it cranks and it's a happy boy again. See battery life, that's good. I'm gonna take the key. And that's good. Oh, hey! Awesome. Thanks for watching this episode of This Old Jeep. No, just kidding. Thanks for watching, and next time that we get together, I'm probably gonna put on those new hood latchings. So look forward to that. See you next time.